Hey everybody, Bill Owen from Mnpctech. How you doing? I've got some great news to announce. Deep Silver and Corsair have invited me to create the first official Metro Exodus gaming PC build. For this build, I'll be using several parts from Corsair, including their 570X crystal chassis, Dominator memory, M.2 drive power supply, and CPU cooler. And what will be generating the stunning visual graphics in the game is Nvidia's 2080 Ti RTX video card. Those of you that have followed my creations over the last decade know that I love dystopian theme builds and case mods. And Metro Exodus takes place in Post Apocalyptic Russia, so my imagination is already just filled with all kinds of ideas. So I'm really looking forward to investing hours into doing research and finding elements that are authentic to Russia. Also, maybe scavenging for some parts out there that are from Russia to use in this build. Now, what I personally love about the Metro game series is the dark atmospheric feeling you get. It's very claustrophobic and dark. I just love that style of first-person shooter games. And also, all the detailing in the weapons, it's just mind-blowing. I love it so much. I'm really looking forward to sharing this progress on this build with you. It is the very first official Metro Exodus gaming PC build and case mod by Mnpctech. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscription button and hit the bell so you're notified when I have the next video revealing all the build and mod details. Let me know if you're a fan of the Metro games, any of them in the series, and if you're looking forward to Metro Exodus release in February of 2019. I love to read the comments.